At Ryan International School, we thrive on learning, whether it's through sports, extracurricular activities, or textbooks. Today, we are going to be learning under a different kind of light, the stars.
We students are filled with excitement as the Cosmos Dome Planetarium is set up in our school premises. The Cosmos Dome is India's first portable planetarium with 360-degree 3D immersive experience that allows students to explore and know the solar system and the cosmic events firsthand.
This classroom is like no other, where the universe becomes the teacher. Come, let's take a look.
What inspired the creation of the Cosmos Dome Planetarium?
Once I thought that, as we know that India is progressing, India has a great talent with us. We just need to push them. We just need to give some spark to them. So, planetarium is one of the best thing to learn the astronomy and astrophysics. So, I thought instead of visiting the physical planetarium, the students should get a chance. So, planetarium can visit to their school and they can see, they can learn, they can educate themselves in a school itself instead of spending so much time and energy and finance on their traveling.
What are the unique features or technologies used in the projection system?
So as we know that we started this thing, but we want to make some involvement with the creativity. So we started with the 360-degree projection system, and it is a 3D immersive technology. Student can see the 3D without glasses. It's a 3D sound. We can show them videos in Hindi, English, in all the languages. So it gives them a very unique and memorable experience to which they can remember throughout their life.
Please tell us about your experience.
I enjoy it very much and I love it. The show was very, very, very excellent. We enjoyed the show. I want to sit again. Thank you. It was really nice. I enjoyed it. It was a wonderful experience and I liked it.
It was really amazing and we were really excited for it, and when we went inside it was amazing and 3D. We really loved it.
It was amazing. I really liked it as it was really amazing, and the fact that we got to see everything in 3D was also very nice.
My experience was marvelous. The Planetarium Show is a unique theatre and cinema experience that offers a virtual journey through the night sky. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for giving us the opportunity to experience the beauty of celestial objects and constellations through rich storytelling and stunning visual simulation.
Wow, it was a breathtaking show. The Dome Planetarium in our school is captivating with stunning visuals and live presentations. The immersive 3D environment makes learning about astronomy exciting and memorable. I deeply thank our respected Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
Interactive learning that helps students to grasp complex concepts more effectively. It was thrilling and enlightening experience.
It was a superb experience. The dome shape creates an immersive experience with high resolution projections of stars, planets, and other celestial phenomena.
Our experience, it was surreal. Walking into the dome, we entered a completely new world full of stars, galaxies, planets, and whatnot. It was like an endless classroom with having the universe as our teacher. Surreal, so exciting and exhilarating. And the best thing is that I got to know more about the current ISRO missions like the Aditya L1, Chandrayaan 3, and how all of the spaceships and the telescope works. It was amazing.
We, the students of RAN Kandivali, were thoroughly elated.
I must say, it was an exquisite and a wonderful experience.
It was a beautiful and enthralling experience.
This experience was so enlightening and was filled with knowledge about the galaxy. I was very happy and elated.
Hello ma'am, what did you feel about this initiative?
So this initiative is very nice and the kids really enjoyed it and it's very informative for the kids.
It's very good initiative for kids especially because it's a lot of information for them, lot more than what they must have expected. But it's very good that the RAN school has taken this initiative of conducting this information about the planet. Very nice.
It's very informative and very attractive story for the kids to be there for a 1 hour. It's very useful and we loved it.
Special thanks to Madam Grace Pinto, Chairman Sir, and obviously Madam Anjali Miss, our principal. I think every student will enjoy and will take some good experience from there.
It was lovely. It was very nice experience. I have never seen such 3D coming to us. It was very nice. My son also enjoyed very well. He's in grade 2, but now his interest towards the planet, towards the sun and other thing. He want to learn more.
It's very informative, very good for the children, a good exposure for them. I had a great time and so did he.
मैंने आज यहाँ डोम प्लेनेटोरियम को देखा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ.
मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. मेरी बेटी बहुत ही खुश थी, वो घर आई तो खुश थी. एक नया एक्सपीरियंस उसको मिला.
We would first like to thank the management, the school and principal ma'am, in fact the chairman also about this initiative.
Really like to thank RAN International School for this setup. Really good initiative and I really appreciated what the school is doing for the children.
It's a very good initiative taken by the RAN group of institutions that they have provided this opportunity to in the school itself, and through this opportunity the kids can learn many new things.
We would like to thank the team of astronomers and educators who have designed this show especially for our students.
The shows at the Cosmos Dome taught us so much about the solar system, the moon mission, Aditya L1, Mars rover and the Voyagers mission.
We would like to thank our beloved Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for every learning opportunity presented to us. On that note, this is Vijay Tanish Amin
And this is Vijay Shraddha Jain signing off for Young Journals of RAN TV from RAN International School, Kandivali.